Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm showing you on how you can add a payment method on Base44. Now to make this tutorial simple, we are going to integrate Stripe onto our application right here. Unfortunately, as of the moment, you need a subscription in order for you to integrate a payment method or a payment paywall on the application for Base44. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to your dashboard right here, click on settings, app settings, scroll down, and you want to turn on the backend functions right here. Now with this one, you will be able to get the server-side functionality, which is adding payment method onto our application. Now we are going to enter this simple script about our game right here, which is about tic-tac-toe. To simply add a Stripe functionality to the application. Now Stripe is a payment option or a payment method. Keep it simple for now, just have a one-time payment paywall to access all features on the application. I'm going to hit enter right here, and from there we are now ready to head over to our Stripe. Basically, inside this page, you can just click on settings, search for API, and then you want to head over to the developer API keys. From here, you will be able to see the publishable key and your own secret key. So let's head back to our Base44, wait for the AI to do its thing. So right after that, we are prompted to our payment wall right here, where it will then show us to add the backend functionality. We need to enable the backend functions in our dashboard. Once again, it's going to be inside dashboard, settings, app settings, scroll down, and it's going to be right here. Unfortunately, I only have the free subscription or the free plan right here, but you just have to simply click on a button to simply add your secret key, which is going to be inside the API key settings for your Stripe. So just copy the publishable key, paste it on the comments from the AI right here, and you will be able to integrate Stripe or a payment method onto your Base44 application. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.